Let's say you have your 3D CAD model ready, you want to share it with your client and with a good presentation before they actually accept. So you have here in GemGPU this feature which called a publish 3D viewer, and our 3D viewer actually have a lot of tools in it. So you can, let's explore them one by one. So this is the title that your client will see. Let's just call it Solitaire as it is here. And for the folders, there is no client folder right now. I'm going to show you on the manager how to create them later. So you have the tags and they are optional. You have also the viewer scenes, which you can actually add the current scene. It will include material lighting, the camera, and even different models. So you can actually publish one link of the viewer with different models in just one viewer. You can actually protect this with a password. It will be encrypted, even though that everything that is uploaded on our drive is secure. The password would actually protect you from accidentally sharing the link with the wrong client or exposing it on the internet. So you can generate a strong password here or type your own and copy that password and send it to the client. You can put an expiry date. We thought that 7 days or 30 days are actually a good expiry date, and you will publish the viewer right here. We will do that just in a second after viewing our viewer manager. What do we have? We have here, since I don't have any link, but you will see that we can actually add a folder with the client. So let's call it client one, create a folder. Now that we have the client one, let's go back, go here, and you can find it in the client folder. Click on client one. Let's just keep the public title Solitaire, and maybe also add current scene. This is white gold, and no password for now. We're not going to publish yet. So we're going to choose maybe some kind of yellow gold, and we're going to type yellow gold. Add the current scene. Now publish viewer. This is going to be uploaded to the drive securely, and we will get a link that you can share with your client in a second. So it's actually uploading the model and all its settings. That's why it takes a little time, depend on your actual internet. So we got the viewer link here, and you can copy this viewer link and send it to your client. Revoke access. Also open viewer, and this is what your client will see with no account, and they don't have to subscribe to GemGPU. They can actually see the model live, and by clicking on those options that you added to your scene, they can view them. And do not worry, we have a performance mode for a weaker computer if your client does not have the necessary requirement for it. Going back to the studio, we can now, on the manager, actually see the link shared and it's active. So by clicking it, you can know actually who's watched it, and there is a lot of option. You can revoke access. By revoking the access, going back to the link here, the viewer is no longer available. So you do not worry if you want to revoke the access of your model. Now it's going to not be there, and you can delete it from the cloud completely. Delete permanently. And here we go. You actually have a lot of filters here whenever you have a lot of models shared. And this actually our best feature, since this is not supposed to be how to say, this is not supposed to be replacing your biggest rendering engines. Is actually for real time and instant viewing of your gallery, and your client will see this result instantly on their computer as well. So if you have any question, please report in the bug menu or contact us in our email. And thank you very much.